Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe an item of clothing that someone gave you, or describe an important piece of clothing, please.
One of the most beautiful pair of clothes I have received from my brother, because he has a coursework in chemistry, so he has so tends to cover it. So I helped him very much in his course outwork. So on his result day, I have received a pair of clothes. It was a good cloth. It had small, beautiful checks and on shirt. So he was very happy on his result day. So that's why he gave me a pair of clothes.
Good, very good. You know, you've spoken for 1.5 minutes, which is good. Okay?
Yes, sir.
30 seconds. So you need to speak more and more and more. 30 seconds mean half marks will be deducted. Part 2 is equal to 3 band. Now he will get marks from 1.5 band. You know what I mean, okay? Your half marks will be deducted from there. So you should express more, you should speak more. That is important. And try to come up with more sentence structures. You are also using present perfect tense instead of past simple. Past simple is past indefinite, okay? Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What kind of clothes do people wear after work?
Well, definitely people wear clothes after work is comfortable clothes due to on office hours. They usually wear formal clothes or some time of uniform. So after coming home, they usually wear comfortable clothes.
Okay, this is better, but try to speak more and more. Practice करें थोड़ा सा. हाँ,
Yes,
muscle
sir.
बनाएं अपना speaking का.
Yes.
Thank you.